The operating room is the financial heart of the hospital and the biggest driver of surgical risk. Surgery accounts for 50% of total hospital revenue, but leads to 70% of cause-specific deaths. Within a changing reimbursement landscape, impending surgical shortage, and uncertainty around public health and safety, hospitals, vendors, and insurers are moving towards digital solutions that can make surgeries smarter and safer. At present, a wealth of information can be acquired for each patient in the operating room, but this information is siloed and leads to variability in surgical performance and patient outcomes. The Caresyntax digital surgery platform enables surgical stakeholders to assemble, analyze, and advance surgical care delivery. Caresyntax achieves this using automation, analytics, and AI to transform data into actionable insights. These insights lead to evidence-based decision-making that will enable care teams, insurers, and medical device vendors to make surgery smarter and safer. We believe in a world where surgery will be as safe and successful as flying. Doctors will practice medicine, not process paperwork. Insurance will reward risk management, and patients will benefit from better surgical outcomes.